Hello and welcome to the World of NDE 4.0. My name is Johannes Frana, and today is a great day because I have an awesome announcement. Now, after the success of the virtual conference on NDE 4.0 in 2021, and by the way, you can find most of the presentations right here, we will continue our journey towards a digital transformation of the field of non-destructive testing and evaluation. And we will get to the International Conference on NDE 4.0 2022. And I have the honor to chair this conference. This year, it will be in person in Berlin, in Germany, and will be organized by the German Society for Non-Destructive Testing and co-sponsored by ICNDT, EFNDT, the Technical University Munich, the TIC Council, the Testing, Inspection and Certification Council, and the IDSA, the International Data Spaces Association. The conference will be October 24th to 27th. We will have 4 keynotes, 4 panel discussions, about 70 presentations in 2 parallel sessions. On Monday, we will start with a session on purpose and value proposition. And on Tuesday and Wednesday, we will get into the various phases of NDE 4.0. So we will be getting into AI, digital twin, human considerations, additive manufacturing, extended reality, management and leadership, reliability, enhanced robotics and drones, revision-safe data formats and storage, industrial applications, and predictive and prescriptive maintenance. Up to the moment, we have 6 companies sponsoring the conference. And on Thursday, we will do an excursion to the Berlin Center for Digital Transformation. And to register for the conference, just click here. In addition, we have 3 short courses which have to be booked separately. We have 2 which are 1.5 hours, and we have 1 which is 3 hours. The 2 which are 1.5 hours, we have 1 which is NDE for additive manufacturing, and the second one is artificial intelligence for computed tomography. So those 2 run in order on Monday morning, and in parallel to those 2, we have the short course, the World of NDE 4.0, which will be done by Ripi and myself, and for sure, during that one, you will get a copy of our book, The World of NDE 4.0. Now, it's time for you to join into the world of collaboration, to join into the world of NDE 4.0 by making a registration for this conference, for booking your short courses, and by becoming a sponsor. So see you all in Berlin. And if you want to know more about NDE 4.0, I guess you know where you get more content. For example, here on this YouTube channel. See you in Berlin. Thank you and bye.